Welcome to Japanese Home Recipe. Thank you for your watching Japanese Home Recipe. The recipes are available on our website. I regularly update the information on my Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. So please check them out. Also, please press subscribe button if you like this channel. See you on the next channel. Bye!